সবাই আমার কথা শুনতে পাচ্ছ, দেখতে পাচ্ছ? সবাই শুনতে পাচ্ছ, দেখতে পাচ্ছ? সবাই মোটামুটি শুনতে এবং দেখতে পাচ্ছ? একটু चैट बॉक्स में कमेंट करबे अगर आप देख या सुन सकते हैं। चैट बॉक्स में थोड़ा कमेंट कीजिएगा। अगर आप देख बस सुन सकते हैं तो कमेंट कीजिएगा। द्रोणास का ये जो क्लास है, इस इसका फीस है एकदम ज़ीरो। सो बेसिकली ज़ीरो फीस इन द्रोणास ऑनलाइन क्लासेस। ठीक है, सभी जुड़ जाइए। तो ये है बैच जिसमें एवरीडे 5:30 PM में क्या होगा, हिस्ट्री, जियोग्राफी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन, इकोनॉमिक्स, साइंस एंड टेक, जीके सीए। ये साइंस एंड टेक में ये बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, ये सब होता है। ठीक है, सो बेसिकली बायोलॉजी, फिजिक्स एंड केमिस्ट्री आर देयर इन दैट आवर क्लास। Today's class is biology. Today's class is biology. So this is known as platform। और आपको मॉक टेस्ट लेना है तो आप ये गूगल ड्राइव में जाके, प्ले स्टोर में जाके और एप्पल स्टोर में जाके ये द्रोणास ऑनलाइन इंस्टॉल करके ये एग्ज़ाम दे सकते हैं। ठीक है, सिर्फ ₹100 में। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं। बैंक फाउंडेशन जो कोर्स है वो भी लाइव चल रहा है, वो भी कम्प्लीटली फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट है, तो वो भी आप देख सकते हैं, चेक कर सकते हैं। तो आज का जो क्लास है, सो विल स्टार्ट आवर क्लास। तो पहला जो क्वेश्चन है, फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज आवर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, द फॉलोइंग वायरस इज वाटर बॉर्न। आपको कमेंट करना है कमेंट बॉक्स में, इसमें से कौन सा वाटर बॉर्न वायरस है। इसमें से कौन सा वाटर बॉर्न वायरस है। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज वाटर बॉर्न। इसमें से कौन सा वायरस पानी के साथ आता है। एर मध्य कोन वायरसटा जलेर साहाज्ये क्षति करे बा जलेर साहाज्ये डिजिजटा हैम्पार करे। कमेंट बॉक्स में एक आंसर चाहिए, कमेंट बॉक्स में आंसर दीजिए। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वायरस इज वाटरबोर्न। इसमें से कौन सा वायरस वाटरबोर्न है। इसमें से कौन सा वाटरबोर्न है। कमेंट बॉक्स में कमेंट कीजिए। अच्छा, संगीता चौधरी, संगीता बोलছে बी, हेपाटाइटिस बी। ओके, बाकी और कोई। इसमें से कौन सा पानी के साथ बहता है। सो अगर हम देखें तो ये जो हेपाटाइटिस बी है, दिस इज मोस्ट डिस्ट्रक्टिव वायरस। ये ज़्यादातर यूएसए में देखा जाता है, यूएसए में। तो ये जो वायरस है, ये वायरस बेसिकली हेपाटाइटिस बी बोल रहे हैं। हेपेटाइटिस बी एंड सी दोनों ही, ये दोनों ही सीमेन के साथ बहता है, सीमेन. सो बेसिकली इट इज इन्फेक्टेड, द पर्सन इन्फेक्टेड, आप अगर उसके संगत में आए तो डायरेक्ट इन्फेक्शन होगा. तो डायरेक्ट कॉन्टैक्ट में ये इन्फेक्शन होता है. যদি সেই মানুষটার সংস্পর্শে আসি তাহলেই হেপাটাইটিস বি এবং হেপাটাইটিস সি আমার হতে পারে, ঠিক আছে. কিন্তু হেপাটাইটিস এ এবং হেপাটাইটিস ই দুটো, হেপাটাইটিস এ এবং হেপাটাইটিস ই এরা হচ্ছে ওয়াটারবর্ন, এরা হচ্ছে ওয়াটারবর্ন. So the right answer here is hepatitis A. Is it clear? Is it absolutely clear? इसमें से कौन सा एक्चुअली हेपेटाइटिस जो वायरस होता है, हेपेटाइटिस वायरस इज बेसिकली A to E type. Means there is A, B, C, D, E. 5 types. Out of these 5, A and E are waterborne. B, C, D is not waterborne. They are direct contact. और उसमें से ये जो A वाला वायरस है ये वाटरबॉर्न ज़्यादा दिखाता है. ये पूर हाइजीन के लिए होता है. ये ज़्यादातर अफ्रीकन कंट्री में ये दिखता है, हेपेटाइटिस ई. ठीक है. So hepatitis E and A are only waterborne. Rest of the hepatitis are affected by the direct contact of the infectious person. Direct contact of the infectious person. ठीक है. कमेंट कीजिएगा नंबर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. नंबर सेकेंड क्वेश्चन. The activated sludge treatment is carried out by. The activated sludge treatment carried out by. जो स्लज होता है उसको कैसे ट्रीट किया जाता है, कौन सा चीज से ट्रीट किया जाता है, এর মধ্যে কোনটা অ্যাক্টিভেটেড স্লাগ ট্রিটমেন্টের দ্বারা হয়? কমেন্টের মাধ্যমে অ্যান্সার দরকার. শুধুমাত্র সঙ্গীতা অ্যান্সার দিচ্ছে, বাকিরা অ্যান্সার দিচ্ছে না. इसमें से कौन सा किस चीज को अगर देख दिया जाए तो एक्टिवेटेड स्लज ट्रीटमेंट होगा? Which of the following shows the activated sludge treatment? Now, high temperature will not be the answer. Acidification will not be the answer. Moisture is also not be the answer. The answer here is microbes. Now, what do you mean by microbes? Microbes बोलते আমরা কি বুঝি? Now, microbes here means archaea, fungi and protist. If you know the 5 kingdom classification, জিত্রিকা দাস সে একমাত্র ঠিক অ্যান্সার দিয়েছে. জিত্রিকা অ্যান্সার হচ্ছে মাইক্রোবস. এবার মাইক্রোবস বলতে আমরা, আমাকে প্রশ্ন তো অনেক রকম করতে পারে যে মাইক্রোবস বলতে কি বোঝায়. তো মাইক্রোবস বলতে আর্কিব্যাকটেরিয়া, ফাঙ্গি, প্রোটিস্টা এদের সবাইকে বোঝায়. আমরা যদি 5 কিংডম ক্লাসিফিকেশন করি সেখানে আমরা জানবো আর্কিব্যাকটেরিয়া, ফাঙ্গি, প্রোটিস্টা, মোনেরা, প্লান্টি, অ্যানিমেলিয়া এই সমস্ত আমরা পড়েছিলাম. সো হেয়ার দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার ইজ সি, মাইক্রোবস. তো বেসিক্যালি there is a water flow and here there is a chamber. When the chamber is treated by microbes, they makes the water clean and also biofuel can be made from biomass. There is a biomass that produces from this treatment and from there will be biofuel. Number 3, golden rice content. শ্রাবণী এবং জিতিকা রাইট অ্যান্সার. গোল্ডেন রাইস. কোশ্চেন নাম্বার 3. Question number 3. Golden rice contains. Question number 3. golden rice contains? সুজাতা অ্যান্সার দিয়েছে, বাকিরা? আচ্ছা, আমি আগে একটু বলে নিচ্ছি। গোল্ডেন রাইস মিন্স, golden rice, basically the rice plus there is some genetic material, and that genetic material is basically biosynthesized beta carotene. Biosynthesized beta carotene. Beta carotene. তোমাদের মধ্যে যদি কেউ WBCS মেন্স 2020 টার্গেট করো বা 21 টার্গেট করো, মনে রাখবে পেপার 4 সেখানে বায়োলজি পার্টটা থেকে 30 to 40 কোশ্চেন আসছে বর্তমানে। 30 to 40 কোশ্চেন্স, 30 to 40 কোশ্চেন্স, ঠিক আছে? এই পার্টটাকে ইগনোর করে খুব একটা লাভ নেই, কারণ এই পেপার 4-এর মধ্যে আরেকটা বাজে জিনিস আছে বা কঠিন পেপার, যেটা কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সও থাকে। তাহলে কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্স যদি একটু কারোর না হয়, কারণ ওটা যা খুশি প্রশ্ন করতে পারে, তাহলে বায়োলজি পার্টটাকে একটু ভালো করে তৈরি করতে হবে। যাই হোক, অনেকেই অ্যান্সার দিচ্ছে, শ্রাবণী অ্যান্সার দিয়েছে ই না, এই যদি এটা দেখো বায়োসিনথেসিস বিটা ক্যারোটিন, এই নামটা মনে রাখার দরকার। বায়োসিনথেসিস বিটা ক্যারোটিন, দিস ইজ বেসিক্যালি দ্য প্রিকারসার অফ ভিটামিন এ, মানে এখান থেকে ভিটামিন এ তৈরি হয়, ঠিক আছে? এখান থেকে ভিটামিন এ তৈরি হয়, তো সেইটাই এর মধ্যে দেওয়া হয় গোল্ডেন রাইসের মধ্যে জেনেটিক ইঞ্জিনিয়ারিংয়ের মাধ্যমে, বিটা সিনথেসিস বিটা ক্যারোটিন। ইট ইজ আ প্রিকারসার অফ ভিটামিন এ। সো দ্য রাইট অ্যান্সার ইজ ভিটামিন এ। বোঝা গেল? নিশ্চয়ই ঠিকঠাক সব বোঝা গেল। চতুর্থ কোশ্চেন আছে, ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্ট ইজ ফর ব্রিডিং। ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টে কি ব্রিড করা হয়? ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টে কি ব্রিড করা হয়? ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টে কি ব্রিড করা হয়? বলতে পারবে ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টে কি ব্রিড করা হয়? সঙ্গীতা অ্যান্সার দিয়েছে ব্ল্যাক ডাক, শ্রাবণী অ্যান্সার দিয়েছে সুজাতা তেনজিং এ। সো দ্য অ্যান্সার অফ তেনজিং অ্যান্ড সুজাতা is right. Answer of Tenjing and Sujata is right. Mars crocodile. Can anyone say where is Bhagavatpur project? Where is Bhagavatpur project? Where it is located? এটা কোথায় অবস্থিত? ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টটা কোথায় অবস্থিত? Where it is located? ভগবতপুর প্রজেক্টটা কোথায় অবস্থিত? Where it is located? So it is located in West Bengal itself. In West Bengal, Sundarban. In West Bengal, Sundarban, this Bhagavatpur project is basically located. And here, the Mars crocodile, because of the extinction, it is artificially treated and breeded. It is artificially treated and breeded. तो समझ में आया भगवतपुर प्रोजेक्ट क्या है, किसके लिए इसका ब्रीडिंग होता है? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द बीटी कॉटन इज अ ट्रांसजेनिक क्रॉप विथ जीन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम। बीटी कॉटन इज अ ट्रांसजेनिक क्रॉप विथ जीन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर क्या होगा? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 का आंसर क्या होगा? व्हाट इज द राइट आंसर? क्वेश्चन नंबर 5, द बीटी कॉटन इज अ ट्रांसजेनिक क्रॉप विथ जीन ट्रांसफर फ्रॉम। कहां से इसका जीन ट्रांसफर होगा बीटी कॉटन का? राइट आंसर, what is the right answer? J. Jen Bhutia says B. Tenjing is also saying B. So Tenjing, Stravoni is also saying B. So everyone is saying B. So everyone knows, I think, the right answer is bacteria. Now my question is, what is the full form of this BT? What is the full form of this BT? Can anyone say what is the full form of this BT? BT full form ta ki? Je transgenic crop, etaro maneta ki? Transgenic crop. Can anyone? What is the full form of BT? Okay, the full form of BT is Bacillus thuringiensis. Bacillus thuringiensis. Yes, Jen is absolutely right. Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, it is the full form of BT. There is a question, what is BT means? So BT means nothing but Bacillus thuringiensis. Okay, that's also a part of these questions. Now transgenic crop means there is a circular DNA. That DNA is cutted down to insert some foreign DNA that is for pesticide purpose. For pesticide purpose. So that DNA is inserted and cultured in the bacteria, and that thing then transferred to the plant for pest resistance. For pest resistance. That is the whole process of transgenesis or transgenic crop and whole function of this. Now question number 6. Which of the following is the largest gland in adult man? This is a very easy one. Which of the following is the largest gland in adult man? Very, very easy one. Which of the following is the largest gland in adult man? Which of the following is the largest gland in adult man? The easy one. The easy one. आंसर क्या होगा? सभी जानते हैं. The most easiest question. Most easiest question. Which of the following is the largest gland? Now इसमें से एक ऑप्शन ये आता है पैनक्रियास. अब ये जो पैनक्रियास है इससे क्या निकलता है? पैनक्रियास से क्या निकलता है? I know everyone is now getting this answer B as the right answer. Everyone know liver is the largest gland. Everyone know. But you all know liver is the largest gland. But what is the function of this pancreas? It has beta and alpha islets of Langerhans. From that there is some hormone released. What is the name of the hormone? What is the name of the hormone? What is the name of the hormone? From islets of Langerhans, from beta cell, there is a hormone that released, and there is alpha hormone that's also released from islets of Langerhans. What are the name of these two hormone? Very, very important, and we face a problem regarding this in day-to-day life. So what is the name of the hormone? What is the name of the hormone? Yes, Jen is saying the right thing. Yes, from alpha it secretes glucagon, and from beta it secretes insulin, and they are functions antagonistically. Antagonistically means insulin makes glucose to glycone, from glucose to glycogen it transfer, and Glucagon mainly transfer glycogen to glucose. Yes, Tenjing. And also there is a hormone names somatomedin, somatostatin and somatomedin. Yes. Now question number 7. Which is correctly matched? Which is correctly matched? Which is correctly matched? Which is correctly matched? This every question is important in respect of mains. Every question is important in respect of mains. And every question has some discussion. And in that discussion you will get some kind of benefit, and it will help to rethink your preparation and revise. Rethink and revise. So Jen is saying A as the right answer. Sujata, Kalina, everyone is saying A as the right answer. So yes, apiculture is the right answer. But our preparation will not only restricted on apiculture and the culture of bees is called api. Our answer is, or our discussion is, how many type of bees are there in India? How many type of bees are there in India? So majorly there is 4 types. One is Apis mellifera. Apis mellifera. One is Apis dorsata. One is Apis flora. And another is Apis indica. Now out of this, Apis dorsata is basically called rock bee. So if there is a question, which of the following is called rock bee? Answer will be Apis dorsata. If the question is, which of the following is called hive bee? It is Apis indica. It is called hive bee. If there is a question, which of the following is called little bee? So the answer will be Apis flora. So I think we are clear now. What are the types? There are 4 major types. Out of that, Apis dorsata is called rock bee, Apis flora is called little bee, and indica is called hive bee. And this indica is basically done here in apiculture. Okay, so everything is crystal clear now. We are moving towards question number 8. In blood, carbon dioxide transported majority as. In blood, carbon dioxide transported majority as. The carbon dioxide that are intaked by the lung and then transported in the blood is by which form, or which of the following form you have in your options. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड जो है वो किस तरह से ब्लड में इनटेक होता है और ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है, किस तरीके से ब्लड में ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है, किस तरीके से वो ट्रांसपोर्ट होता है. You have following options like carbon dioxide as such, carbon dioxide intake majorly as carbon dioxide. Option number B, sodium carbonate. Option C, bicarbonate, and option D, none of this. And option D, none of this. What will be the right answer? 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 You have 4 options. You have 4 options. What will be the right answer? What will be the right options? I'm waiting for the right answer. No one is giving the right answer. Okay, so you are saying no one knows. Now let me have a clear picture or clear equation Now when carbon dioxide is getting into the lung, it reacted with the water in it, and it makes H2CO3. H2CO3. Now this H2CO3 then breaks into one, that is HCO3 minus, and another, that is H plus. Now hemoglobin that presents in the RBC will engulf this H plus and makes HB. Okay, and this HCO3 minus is basically intake by the blood. So that's the area, or that's the molecule that is majorly transported by the blood. So it is called bicarbonate. So this molecule is called bicarbonate. Another name of this molecule is hydrogen carbonate ion. Hydrogen carbonate ion. So I think you are clear here what is the functions, or how the carbon dioxide intake by the blood. So the molecule here is bicarbonate. So these are the questions of WBCS 2019 mains. 2019 mains means the last year mains, or the last mains that we have. Okay, so 2020 mains will be in I think October or November. So before that you can predict the difficulty level of the questions of WBCS. The difficulty level you can clearly understand. Okay, so now you are clear with that, how the blood is transported, how the carbon dioxide is transported in the blood. Absolutely clear? Am I absolutely clear? Can anyone say in the chat box, is it clear to you? This carbon dioxide makes a reaction with the water, then H2CO3 forms, and then bicarbonate forms, and the other H plus bonded with the hemoglobin. Okay, we are moving towards question number 9. Question number 9. Kupffer cells. So Kupffer cells present in Where is Kupffer cells? Kupffer cells कहाँ पे है? Kupffer cells कहाँ पे है? Where is our Kupffer cell? So Tenjing is saying some answer. Binoy is saying, yeah, Tenjing is now making the right answer. It is in liver. But our discussion will not rely on the questions only. We need to stretch it. What is the function of Kupffer cell? Now, what is the function of Kupffer cell? So Kupffer cell, basically, this cell basically it makes some immunogenic response for bacterial disease. Okay, for bacterial disease. So it protects liver from bacteria. So if someone has the alcohol getting tendency, so it basically hampers these cells, and that's how the liver cirrhosis happens. Okay, now our question number 10. The vitamin which is essential for blood clotting. Vitamin which is essential for blood clotting. ভিটামিন যেটা ব্লাড ক্লটিং করতে সাহায্য করে. What is the right answer? What is the right answer? Vitamin that helps in blood clotting. And everyone is saying D, vitamin K. Now our question is, what is the scientific name of this vitamin K? What is the scientific name of vitamin K? What is the scientific name of vitamin K? Okay, so the scientific name here is phyloquinine. Phyloquinine. Okay, so vitamin K basically has two types. One is K1 and one is K2. This K1, the scientific name is phytonadione. 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 And K2, the scientific name of K2 is basically menaquinone. Menaquinone. Yes, Jen is getting the right answer. The answer is vitamin K and the scientific name is phyloquinone. Yes. Now we are moving towards question number 11. We are moving towards question number 11. Question number 11. Which of the following is not a vestigial in man? Which of the following is not a vestigial in man? Which of the following is not a vestigial in man? Which of the following is not vestigial in man? এর মধ্যে কোনটা vestigial নয়? Now vestigial, this means, yes, Tenjin is saying something. Josna is getting the right answer. Josna is basically getting the right answer. Vestigial means जो नहीं है अभी हमारे बॉडी में, जो एकदम से फंक्शनलेस ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. Vestigial organ means the organ that are not in function, basically that are not present, it get extinct. So we don't have tail, we don't move the membrane, we don't have this appendix function. So the right answer, Binoy Mondol, Jen Bhutia. No, Jen is saying the wrong answer. Josna and Binoy, they're saying the right answer. We have nails. So you need to find this not. What is not a vestigial organ? So the right answer is nails. Nails is not a vestigial organ. Rest of the thing is a vestigial organ. Rest of is vestigial organ. बाकी सब वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन है. ठीक है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. इंडूसियम. क्वेश्चन नंबर 12. Very, very important one. Inducium. Question number 12. Important one. Question number 12. This question is in WBCS Mains 2019. This question asked in WBCS Mains 2019, or our last mains. Our last mains. So now we need to first understand what is indusium. Then we will move on to the answer. Basically, there is a tree that is called fern. So its leaves are like this. Its leaves are like this. If we make a broader picture, there is a hollow structure. It is called sorus. Sorus. And in that sorus, there is a covering. There is a covering. And that covering is called indusium. That covering is basically called indusium. Okay. So the right answer is fern. In fern, there is sorus. To protect that sorus, there is a covering, and that covering is basically called indusium. So by this, you can clearly understand the previous year question and the standard of mains. Okay. So Momita, Binoy, Jen, everyone is saying the right answer. Now we are moving towards question number 13. In plant, water supply is due to. 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 प्लांट में जो वाटर सप्लाई होता है वो किस रिएक्शन के लिए होता है? प्लांट में जो वाटर सप्लाई होता है वो किस चीज से होता है और किस रिएक्शन से होता है? Everyone is saying A, osmosis. Rest. Everyone is saying osmosis. But the right answer is addition. The question is water supply, not water intake. Not water intake. Okay. So the answer here is addition force. Water has the addition force capability, and for that water attached with the thin wall, and by that it moves upward. Okay. Yes. Now everyone is saying from Momita to A. The actual force behind also osmosis is addition force. Okay, that's the main. This question is also from mains 19. Also from mains 19. So you can understand how they make you fool. Okay. So if you like this session, is kindly you can like and share. Kindly you like and share. Okay, by that we can you can motivate us. Now question number 14. Question number 14. In which form does the food transported in plant? And we will definitely say or have a discussion why that molecule is transported by the plant. We also clarify that. Now what is the answer of question number 14? In which form does the food transported in plant? গাছে যে মলিকিউলটা বেশিরভাগ ট্রান্সপোর্ট হয় সেই মলিকিউলটা কি? Now there is monosaccharide. So in monosaccharide there is glucose, there is fructose, there is sucrose. Yes. Momita and Binoy, Sujata, everyone saying right answer. Yes, sucrose. Sucrose is the right answer. Now, why sucrose is basically transported? Because it is more energy efficient. More energy efficient to store and to transport. To store and to transport. Like if you think that by eating a glucon D and by drinking glucon D and by eating a biryani, you can easily make out by eating a biryani you feel some exhausting thing, you're feeling tired, but by intaking glucon D you feel refreshed. You wanna play, you can play, but by eating biryani you can't, because by breaking down that fat molecule, that is not energy efficient. There are so much energy consumed by the fat to break into a fatty acid and beta or glycerol. So that's the case here. Sucrose is more energy efficient to store and transport rather than glucose and fructose. Now question number 15. Question number 15. Proteins are composed of. Proteins are composed of. Very easy one, but we will explain that alpha and beta thing. Proteins are composed of. Proteins are composed of. Tulsi is saying one answer. Josna, Tenzing, everyone is saying. Wang Chu Tamang is also saying. Everyone is saying the answer, and that is also obviously the right answer because this one is easy one. The answer is amino acid. But we need to clarify what is this alpha thing. What is this alpha? So there is, I'm drawing the molecular structure of alpha amino acid and then beta amino acid. So in amino acid, you need to remember there will be NH2 molecule in one hand and OH molecule in another hand. So this formation is basically alpha. This is alpha amino acid. Now if the structure, look at the structure. If the structure is like this, here is OH molecule, here is NH2 molecule. Now if the NH2 is in downwards, then this is the alpha thing, but this is the beta thing. So this is basically called beta amino acid and this is basically called alpha amino acid according to the position of the bonding. Okay, according to the position of the bonding. So now you can also have an idea what is alpha amino acid and what is beta amino acid, what kind of molecules are there in amino acid. Okay, is it absolutely clear? This should be clear because there are different kind of questions that can be formed from these options also in the 2020 mains or 2021 mains. Okay, so we need to have a holistic approach on everything. Now we are moving towards question number 16. Very basic question. Very basic one and very easy one also. And repeated question. This question is asked in Pili. This question is asked in 2016 mains, 17 mains, 19 mains, 2012 Pili. Every now and then this question is asked. So what is the answer? Very easy one. This question is very repeated and very easy one. What will be the answer? An ecosystem consists of, there are four options of there. An ecosystem consists of. What is the right answer? Ecosystem বা বাস্তুতন্ত্র কি দিয়ে তৈরি? Basic question is this. Ecosystem. Yes, answer coming. Right answer is also coming. सो आने दो आंसर आने दो। अच्छा, तो सभी ने ये सही किए। Everyone is doing the right answer. Answering the right is the key here, not getting the negative. So everyone is saying the D is the right answer. So as I am saying that it is very easy and common one. So biotic community and non-living elements are the factor of ecosystem. So ecosystem has biotic factor and abiotic factor. Now in biotic factor there is a primary consumer, autotrophs, secondary consumer and so on, as also decomposer. In abiotic there is light, soil, chemical molecules like inorganic chemical molecule, organic chemical molecule. In organic there is carbohydrate, protein, fat. In inorganic there is carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, hydrogen, everything. Okay, so everything are there. Now you are absolutely clear that in ecosystem these two biotic and abiotic factors are there. So biotic community and non-living community, slightly change in the options. So in another options it will be abiotic community or abiotic factor. Anything can be asked or anything can be given in the options. So everyone is right here. We just explain it little bit further. Now question number 17. Now question number 17. Decomposers which specifically act on the fecal matter of other organisms are called. Of other organism is called. जो दूसरों का पॉटी खाते हैं उसको क्या बोलते हैं? उसको क्या बोलते हैं basically? So what is the right answer here in question number 17? This is maybe some of you has a pet of this kind of animal. Maybe some of you has this kind of pet. You love them, they're very cute, but they have the tendency to eat the fecal matters. Yeah. So the answer is coming here and also the right answer is coming. Yeah, Wangchuk is little wrong. Jen is little wrong. Smita, Minoti, Bishwas, you are also little wrong. Rahul and Tulsi is right. It's basically coprophagic animal. Coprophagic. So basically this animal eat that. So what I am saying is that there is some cute animal you must have been in your house, that rabbit, cute little rabbit, it has this tendency that they eat their fecal matters and that's why they are called coprophagic animal. So don't hate them because it's their nature. And there is also some kind of fungus, they are also eating the dead material. Now what is the answer of question number 18? What is the answer of question number 18? And we also make an explanation on this, and by that explanation you will be absolutely clear how this thing is done, how the ozone depletions are done. We are making a chemical reaction and by that you will be absolutely clear on this. Yeah, Kelsan, guinea pig. Guinea pig is also coprophagic animal. Yeah. I know this question number 18 is very easy one. Question number 18 is very easy for you to answer. Yes. Everyone is saying the right answer. None of you are getting fooled by this. So answer is chlorofluorocarbon is absolutely right. But how it is done? Now we are making some reaction. This is chlorofluorocarbon. By the UV radiation, this CFC is braked and they produce some nascent chlorine. Nascent chlorine means overly activated chlorine. This overly activated chlorine hit the ozone or O3 and breaks the O and making a bond with the oxygen and produced O2. Now in the presence of oxygen, this nascent bonding is breaks because this is very activated chlorine, basically very hyper activated thing, chlorine. They are getting bonded with another O and they hit the oxygen and breaks 2O. They breaks 2O or makes 2O, and by that this activated chlorine haphazardly hitting the another oxygen or O3 or anything like that and breaks it, and by that there is a hollow like structure and it is called ozone hole. So this is the main formula. If there is the options, the major cause of ozone depletion, if this option is omitted and the options are nascent chlorine, so what will be the answer? The answer will be nascent chlorine. Answer will be nascent chlorine. If the options is like this, a chlorine and a star on chlorine, so answer will be this one. So you need to be very clear in this. Okay, so I think you are absolutely crystal clear in this matter, what and how the ozone depleted, what and how. Okay, so is it clear? Comment it clear. Clear and dusted, sir. Now question number 19. Now we are going towards question number 19. Question number 19. What is plankton? 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 Everyone is saying B. Rahul is also saying B. Kelsang is saying B. Jane is saying B. Bina is saying B. So राइट आंसर आने दीजिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन आने दीजिए. ये भी मेंस में आया है. सो ऐसा नहीं है मेंस में सिर्फ डिफिकल्ट वाला क्वेश्चन आता है, ये तरफ ऐसा भी क्वेश्चन आता है और इसको भी हमें इक्वली ट्रीट करना है, इसको ऐसा अनटचेबल ट्रीट नहीं करना है. तो व्हाट आर द प्लांक्टन? सो राइट आंसर एवरीवन इज नोइंग दैट माइक्रोस्कोपिक फ्लोटिंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. प्लांट को बोलते हैं जू प्लांक्टन. जू प्लांक्टन. एनिमल को बोलते हैं जू प्लांक्टन और प्लांट को बोलते हैं फाइटोप्लांक्टन. फाइटोप्लांक्टन. Okay, so these are the two types of planktons. Now question number 20. Whatever I told you in previous slides or previous questions, so that are the byproduct of that question. This question is the byproduct of what are the factors of ecosystem. Now one of the factor is biotic, and in that biotic environment includes what? What will be the answer? Easy one, but also came in some previous year. What is the answer in question number 20? What is the answer? Yes, everyone is saying Prabhakar, Josna, Wangchu. Rahul is also giving me answer. Suman, Tenjing, Karishma. Everyone know, and we also discussed in previous question that it is all of the above. Consumer means they are basically heterotrophs. Decomposers means the bacteria, the fungi. Producers is called autotrophs. So everyone is under biotic environment. Okay. So we are moving towards question number 21. Question number 21. A genetically engineered form of brinjal known as the BT brinjal has been developed. The objective of this. In one of our questions, we already discussed and answered this. Now you need to make a right answer. In this. We already discussed in one of our questions basically, yes, we are getting the wrong answer. We are getting the wrong answer here. You need to, we are getting wrong answer. BT Brinjal. Yes, right now Jen Bhutia is saying the right and everyone is wrong. At the time of golden rice, I already discussed what is the function of this genetic engineering and why we need to insert the, yes, Tenjing is right now right. Why we need to insert the genetic material of Bacillus thuringiensis into the plants so that the plant are resistant to pest. So they are pest resistance basically. Okay, so that's the main function, not the nutritive quality to improve or the improve the taste. That's a pathetic thing to do. A taste is a multi-dimensional concept. You may like the taste of chocolate, I may like the taste of chicken, or someone may like the taste of eggs. So that's not a unidimensional thing, it's a multi-dimensional thing. So option number A is pathetic. And drought resistance, it's doing, we are doing that, but we are not very successful in this. But BT brinjal is not on that. Self life longer, this is also not the answer. Answer is B. I think I am clear right now. So what is the right answer? Answer is B, to make pest resistant. Now question number 22. Question number 22 is here, and the question asks which of the following vitamin is water soluble as well as antioxidant. So if you remember what is fat soluble vitamin, what is water soluble vitamin, in that also you need to understand what is antioxidant. So this also came in mains, as I am saying this because this thing is very important for you to understand how depth the question may be. Okay, so for that we need to have the idea what are the previous year questions and in what depth they are asking me. Yes, everyone is saying something, and I'm glad that the saying of everyone is right. So the vitamin B and vitamin C, these are water soluble. Vitamin A, vitamin D, vitamin E and K, they are fat soluble. Out of that, vitamin C is basically antioxidant. What is the scientific name of this vitamin D? Very easy question. What is the scientific name of this vitamin C? Anyone, please comment it. We need to show our energy in the comment section. What are the scientific name of vitamin C? And you need to say what micronutrient is needed in vitamin B12. What micronutrient is needed in vitamin B12? These are the two questions. Yes, Josna is saying it is ascorbic acid. Yes, ascorbic acid is the right answer. Now what is the micronutrient needed in vitamin B12? Yes, ascorbic acid is the right answer, the name of the vitamin C. But what is the micronutrient needed for vitamin B12? Yes, Rahul is saying right, it is cobalt. Rahul, you are fantastic right now. Every question you answered, everything is right. Yes, Kelchang, Right, you are also right. And that's why vitamin B12 is called cyanocobalamin. Okay, that's how the name is. And question number 23. Question number 23. Adaptation of eyes in dark due to. Adaptation of eyes in dark due to. Adaptations of eyes in dark due to. So basically in eyes there are two cells. One is rod and another is cone. So there is a certain function of rod cell and there is also certain function of cone cell. We will explain it, but before that you need to answer this question in comment box. What is the answer? What is the answer? Adaptation of eyes in dark. So if you know the functions of these two cells in specific period of time or specific certain condition, then you will be able to answer this. Okay, and Tulsi is saying the answer, but unfortunately it is not the right answer. Rahul is saying the answer, but only this question is able to make Rahul wrong. Bina is also saying the wrong answer. So basically I think you have a problem of this function of these two cells. So let me clear in this. Rod cells basically functions in night. So rod cells is very sensitive to light, and that's the necessity of the eyes to view certain thing in a low light. So rod cells basically functions in night, and cone cells is basically color sensitive. Color sensitive. So color sensitive means it is a function of the daylight. In daylight there is a too much color, too bright color, and they recognize the 7 colors we have. So in that you can now answer what will be the right answer. Now you already knew that what is the function of rod cell, what is the function of cone cell, and when they functions, what are their criteria. Now I think you must have choose the right answer. What is the right answer now? Adaptation of eyes in dark due to. What will be the right answer now? Is it depletion of vision pigment in rod? Is it depletion of vision pigment in cone? Or it is repletion of vision pigment in rod? Okay. Okay. So now I think you have a problem with the word. Now I think you have a problem with word. Now repletion and depletion. Repletion, that mean that is fed to excess. The condition of being filled up or overcrowded. That is repletion. Okay. Now I think you got the answer. Repletion means overcrowded. Okay. Overly exposed. Yes, Suman is saying the right answer, and everyone is thinking that A will be the right answer. Depletion is not. Depletion of vision is not. Answer will be repletion of vision pigment in rod. They're seeing that. They're seeing in dark. Okay, they're not, the cells are not destroyed. Okay, so I think now you got the answer. Now question number 24, and we will make a mathematics of chi-square, whatever you say, we will display that. A man, and you can also choose your partner in crime, and you can predict what will be the blood group of your offspring or of your baby. Now a man have a blood group. Now the blood group of a man is A. Marries a woman has a blood group of AB. Now, which type of progeny would indicate that the man is heterozygous? Now, first we need to understand what is heterozygous. Heterozygous means two different alleles. Now, what is alleles? If you can remember in the pea plant, that is capital T or small t, they are homozygous. They are basically homo, means same type. Homo means same type. You can also, same-sex marriage is also sometimes called as homo. So homo means same type. If it is different, means capital T small t, then it is called heterozygous. Okay, so homozygous and heterozygous, I think you now differentiate these two terms. Now, how can you make the blood of the baby if and only if the man's blood is heterozygous? Now, heterozygous means the man's blood is AO type. So the basic genotype is IAIO and the genotype of woman is IAIB. Now making a chi-square test. This is also men's question. Men's 19 question. Now IO, IA, IA, IB. So this is IAIA means blood group of A. This is IAIO, blood group of A. This is IBIO, means blood group of B. This is IAIB. Now suppose this IO means heterozygous blood group is not there. The blood group is IA. If this is IA, this will be IAIB, means AB blood group. So as because B blood groups are there, that indicates solely the blood group of the man is heterozygous. So is it clear to you why the B blood group only indicates the heterozygous nature or genotype of the men's blood group? Is it clear to you? That's why I never ask you what is the answer before the explanation. Is it clear? If it is clear, make it in chat box. If it is not, I will repeat. I will surely repeat. Okay. Okay. So Tulsi is saying no, it is not clear. Okay. So we will make this. We will make this up. Now, first of all, you understand the homozygous and heterozygous concept? Homozygous and heterozygous concept. Do you clear on this? Homozygous and heterozygous concept. First you tell me this. Homo means same type. So in case of A blood group, the genotype should be double A. There should be double A. Okay. In case of anything, if it is heterozygous, then it has to be, in case of A blood group, two different thing is there. Two different thing. Okay. So that is the sole thing. That is the sole thing. In case of homozygous, the blood group of A, the genotype should be IAIA. In case of heterozygous, the genotype of A blood group is like IAIO because A is dominant to O. If there is a presence of A, then there will be no expression of O. Now we are making the chart. This is called chi-square. Now they are already saying the blood group of woman is AB. So it is one is IA, one is IB. If you have a problem with the I, just ignore that. Just think that A and B are there. Then we have IA and IO because it's saying it is heterozygous. It's clearly saying it is heterozygous. So in case of this, it is A blood group because two A are there. In case of B and A, it is AB blood group. In case of O and A expresses, so it is A blood group. And in case of B and O, it is B blood group. Now, if it is not heterozygous, if it is homozygous, then this thing will come into play, that is IA. So if it is A, there is no problem with this, that would be A. Double A means A. If A is came into this place, then that would be na AB, because here A comes and from this B comes, and it would be AB blood group. So in the presence of B blood group, we are clearly saying that the men's blood group is heterozygous. It is not homozygous. If it is homozygous, then there would be no B blood group. There would be only AB and A blood group. So as because that is homozygous blood, it is A, B and AB blood group are there. So in because of the only B, it is distinguished that the fellow men's blood is heterozygous. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Say it in comment box. Now is it clear? Now is it clear? Is it clear now? Yes, clear. Clear. Okay, everyone is saying clear. Now we are moving towards our next question. Question number 25, easy and very easy one. Question number 25 is very easy. Very easy one. The permanent decrease in population number occurs due to? Simple one. The permanent decrease in population number occurs due to? Simple. You can answer it by playing cricket match or watching football or gossiping with your accomplice or partner in crime. So what will be the answer of the question number 25? Yes, yes. Everyone is saying the right and choosing the right one. It is D, mortality. The mortality is a permanent decrease. Migration, natality is also actually increase the population. Emigration, these are temporary factor. Mortality means khatam, tata, bye bye, gayo. Okay, so it's a permanent decrease. Question number 26. Question number 26. Name the RNA molecule which is used to carry genetic information copied from DNA. Genetic information carried from DNA. Name the RNA molecule. What will the answer? What will be the answer? Yes, everyone. No, Ronnie, you are wrong. Josna is right. Jane is right. So it's a very easy one, easy question. So basically RNA has three types. One is mRNA, one is called rRNA, another is called tRNA. So mRNA full form is basically messenger RNA. So it carries the message of the DNA to RNA. So answer here is M. tRNA basically transfer RNA. So it basically transfer the molecule of amino acid. And rRNA is ribosomal RNA. So by that name you can clearly understand it basically helps in the formation of ribosome. So answer is mRNA. Simple one. We are moving towards number 27 question. That is, name the disease caused by the deficiency of niacin. First you need to understand what is the actual name of this vitamin. Is it B1 or B2 or B3? Then we will, or you will easily make into the answer. Now what is the name of the disease caused by the deficiency of niacin? This thing is also called PP factor. PP factor is also called PP factor. What is the answer? Yes, everyone is saying Jyotsna, Tenjing, Ronnie, Rahul, Binoy. What is snRNA? Oh, that is not snRNA, that is small RNA. It is basically small RNA. Okay, snRNA is basically small RNA. That helps in that genetic thing. We are not going there. Yes, everyone is saying right. It is vitamin B3. The name is basically vitamin B3 and it is also called pellagra preventing factor, PP factor. Okay. So we are running against time right now. Question number 28. Which of the following vitamins serves as a hormone precursor? Hormone precursor means it helps in the formation of hormone. Helps in hormone synthesis. Helps in hormone synthesis. Which of the following? Yes, Rahul, pellagra preventing factor is the right expression of PP factor. What is the question number 28's right answer? Is it vitamin C, A, K, D? Is it vitamin C or A or K or D? What is the right answer? Which of the following vitamin is serves as a hormone precursor? What serves as a hormone precursor? No, Ronnie, vitamin K is not the right answer. Kelsang, I already told that vitamin K is not the right answer. Make some another guess. Everyone is guessing the K vitamin. I am saying K is not the right answer. Now guess something else. Guess something else. Everyone is saying, everyone hunting the C option. Guess something else. Guess A, B or something. Yes, Sangram and Tenjing, ultimately they are saying vitamin D. Yes, that is the right answer. Rahul, you are wrong. Vitamin A is not. Vitamin D is basically the right answer. It is called cholecalciferol, na? Cholecalciferol. So it is basically, it is not a vitamin. It it breaks down some molecule and then it forms into cholecalciferol that helps in the steroid hormone. So if we get the time, then we will discuss the biosynthesis of steroid hormone and that calciferol and cholecalciferol and the cholesterol, that basically the precursor of that steroid hormone. So in that case, vitamin D basically helps in steroid synthesis. Now question number 29. Question number 29. What is the right answer? Which of the following is not a component of the nucleus? Simple and easy one. Which of the following is not the component of the nucleus? Is it chromosome, nucleus, cytoplasm or nuclear envelope? Too much easy question. What will be the right answer? Easy one. So I think everyone is getting that cytoplasm is not the component of nucleus. Cytoplasm is not the component of nucleus. Okay, so this one is the right answer. Yes. Everyone is getting the right answer. Our last question for today, question number 30. Which of the following is the largest sink of carbon dioxide gas? Last for today. Which of the is the largest sink of carbon dioxide gas? Last question for today, and let us congratulate ourselves that we are developed from yesterday, because we already studied some of the previous year questions, some of the tough question of biology, some bitter discussions, whatever we are not understand very clearly, like CFC and nascent chlorine and also the bicarbonate. So we are marching towards the excellence, or marching towards the better productive person of ourselves. So last answer, it's every no. Tulsi and Jane and Ronnie, you are getting wrong. So this is the basical bio geochemical cycle, and that biogeochemical cycle is carbon cycle. In that carbon cycle chapter we will study this, but for right now the answer is ocean. Ocean basically is the largest carbon sink, not the forest. Forest is also one of the carbon sink. Carbon sink means it absorbs carbon dioxide. No, Rahul, A is not the right answer. Carbon sink means it absorbs carbon dioxide, but the major carbon that absorbs by oceans. Okay, and there is also one term, carbon sequestration. So this sequestration term means carbon is absorbed and stored. So basically this is the process right now going on in the technical field, and also very important in the United Nations Convention, that if we can store the carbon that are produced from the burning of the fossil fuel, then we can regulate our global warming, and we can improve on that. Jen is saying, I said, yeah, Jen, you are right. You said oceans. I may confused with the Ronnie. Okay, so here is the end of the class. Thank you for the greater participation, and thank you for motivating us. And feel free to call the number given that if you are joining some of the paid class or paid test session. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you. We are ending here the class here. We are ending the class here.